Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Chris Glides. Today on the 2025 Harley-Davidson CVO roadglide ST, and this is something that you can install on all the other new model road glides and street glides, is this magic strobe. And what the magic strobe does, when you hit your brake lights, it allows your rear lights to flash, and it has various different strobe patterns that you could select, and it's pre-selected for one of the most popular strobes that there is. And so I'm gonna just install this. Basically, it's a shame to even have an install video, but it is two sides, and I'll show you in a second. So for this install, this is a part number right here that you're gonna use, and that is the part number 2050-0506, the Magic Strobe brake light. And I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this or open it up and plug it in. First thing you want to do is go ahead and remove your seat setup so you can get underneath the seat of the bike. All right, so with your magic strobe out of the bag, one thing you're going to do is where the main wire harness comes from to the bike, you're going to unplug your 12-pin adapters right here, and then that's when you're going to daisy chain it into your magic strobe. Is going to go, here's the magic strobe, it's going to plug into this end where the main harness is, and then this other end is going to go the other direction. So that direction is going to cause it to activate your Tour Pak lights that direction, and then your lower lights that direction. So then you're going to turn your bike on, and what I have is a line tied to my brake line so I could see and test. All right, so everything is strobing. If you were to hook it up the other way around, say you hooked it up and it was directly connected and split right here, the only things that will strobe are your bottom lights. So if you do that and only the bottom lights are strobing, you need to connect it between where the main line is going on one end and out to the other end. If you don't have all this other stuff hooked up, then that's the only location where it will be. All right, guys, thanks for watching that short video on how to install the Customs Dynamics Magic Strobe. And as you can see, with that one light pattern, you have a lot of visibility and a lot of brake lights. So thanks for watching this episode of Chris Glides, and stay tuned because who knows where we're gonna go next.